Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then you may or may not know that we're all still in quarantine, and I've been taking the opportunity to build my first home studio. A place that's just mine, where when creativity strikes, I can just wander on over and do what I need to do. So I've been getting a lot of equipment in the mail, and today I'm going to be opening up my Rode microphone, the NT1-A. I'm so excited. It also comes with a lot of free software and some of the equipment that you need to set it up. So I can't wait to see how it sounds. I've been hearing some really great things about it, specifically for vocals, and of course Rode is one of the most trusted audio equipment manufacturers, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be freaking awesome. I want to thank Sweetwater for getting it to me as early as they could. I actually expected it to take a lot longer, but it did take about a month since it was on back order everywhere that I looked for it online. But I think that just goes to show that it's a really good mic and a lot of people want it. I also got a mic stand that you can see right here behind me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and see how they sound. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside of the box. First thing I see is the shock mount with pop shield, which is really great that I didn't have to buy this separate. Okay, set that down for a second. And then here is the warranty. Yes, actual mic. It's very light. Like that silver, and it's just beautiful. Made in Australia. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. I have my cord. I'm gonna be needing to hook it up, and just a little poofy thing. Carrying case. So I'm gonna set this back down for a second. Let's see what's going on with the pop shield. Okay. So barely fits in this box, but we did it. Very nice. Good size. Definitely feel like it'll hold my mic. Nice and sturdy. And the pop shield is already attached to the mount, so less work for me. Be right back. I went ahead and opened up the mic stand so I could put it out and show you everything that came in the boxes. And I thought that this was so cute. Something sweet from Sweetwater. Thanks again. And in my Rode box, I got this cool I Heart Rode microphone sticker, along with the instruction manual for the mic, the carrying case, and here's the mic itself, microphone cord, and the pop screen and shock mount. Here is the box that the shock mount and pop shield came in. These are all of the microphones that can be used with the same one. But we have the NT1-A coming up, and here's the box for that. On the side here, it shows you all of the free things that come along with it: the XLR cable, pop shield that we saw, the shock mount, a 10-year warranty, And it also has a video where you can download some free studio secrets. So we'll see what that's all about. Most of the specifications for the mic can be found from a simple Google search, but here is some of the very important information you might want to know before purchasing. Here's some of the images for frequency response and the polar response. Got everything that comes with the accessories. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. I've got a pretty simple mic stand here. And here's the mic, all screwed in and ready to go. It's pretty easy to just fit the pieces together and screw them in. Looks complicated, but not really. I've already gone ahead and plugged in my XLR cord into the mic, and I plugged the other end right here into my Focusrite audio card. Have it on the left side, so it'll be the first input. And I've got Ableton open. You can see sound coming in to one of these audio tracks. And I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. I wanted to bring you guys back to my desktop screen so I can show you how I set up my mic to get some sound. I'm gonna go to my system preferences, and instead of going to sound, I'm gonna go to security and privacy. And I had an issue when I first plugged in the mic. It wasn't picking up any sound in Ableton. And that's because I did not have these boxes checked. They should be checked blue to allow the apps to have access to my microphone. So once I did that, everything was okay. They are okay right now. Once you change them, you have to restart the application. So I'm not gonna mess with them again, but make sure that they're checked before you try to get sound out of your mic. Now I'm gonna go over to Ableton. And I've already got 2 audio tracks over here, and I can see the sound is coming in through, looks like both of them, but I'm focused on the first input 1, and I'm going to turn this to auto, enable the track. And now you can hear some sound. So now I'm going to hit record and give you a little sample. 1, 2, 3. Test, test. 1, 2, 3. Test. 1, 2, 3. Test, test. 1, 2, 3. This is the sound from my Rode mic, my new Rode mic. Cool, cool, I'm feeling that. I just stopped the track here, and I'm gonna go ahead and play it back. One, two, three. Test, test. 1, 2, 3. Test. 1, 2, 3. test, test. 1, 2, 3. This is the sound from my Rode mic. My new Rode mic. Yes, I see I'm gonna have to work with it a little bit, get used to it, but once I do, I know it's going to be a great time recording my vocals. If you guys need any help with the editing or want to hear any samples after I bounce them down, let me know in the comments. And until then, thank you for stopping by my channel again today. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you're building a home studio like I am, please let me know about it in the comments below. I'd love to go through that process with you. And if you have any other questions or anything else you'd like to see, you can let me know about that also. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can see the next time I put up a video. I have some more fun stuff to share with you guys, and I can't wait to get back to it. See you later. Happy recording.